Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
Yay!
Hello, everyone. Today, we'll be drawing and coloring a beautiful 2 dolphins and underwater scene with colorful corals. Let's get started. First, let's draw the outline of our dolphins. Start with the larger dolphin at the center. Draw its curved body, a smooth dorsal fin on top. Add cute smile and small round eyes.
Okay.
Draw the bubbles coming from their mouths to show they're swimming underwater.
Okay.
Now, draw the smaller dolphin beside it, following the same steps, but keeping it smaller in size. Draw the bubbles same as before.
Okay.
Next, let's draw the ocean floor. Add wavy lines to create sand and rocks at the bottom.
Pew, 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 pew.
Now, stitch some plants like seaweed and coral on both sides.
Yes.
Cool! Don't forget to add details like the starfish on the sand to make the scene lively. Now it's time to color. I used glue to fill the dolphins' bodies, leaving their underbellies white.
Nice.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
So cute. Pew, 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 pew. Hi.
I used green for the seaweed.
Oh, that.
Wow.
Color the sand at the bottom with a light brownish yellow.
Nice.
Pew, 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 pew.
Color the coral in magenta, orange, and maroon to make them pop.
Nice.
Hi.
For the rocks, use shades of brown, adding darker tones for depth.
Nice.
Don't forget to color the starfish light magenta for a soft look. Now, let's color the water in the background with a rich deep blue to give that underwater vibe.
Okay. Pew, 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 pew. Hi.
Wow! I used a black marker to outline everything and make it look sharp.
Yes.
I hope you enjoyed drawing and coloring these cute dolphins. Don't forget to subscribe with me on YouTube using Tiny Hands Art. And as always, hit that like button if you had fun, subscribe for more art tutorials, and leave a comment below with what you'd like me to draw next. See you in the next video. Bye!